In this demo, I'll be showing you how the PR attaches and submits their revision documents to the Global Fund. I'm logged in as a PR user to the partner portal, and I've clicked on the revision tab. Down here, I can see any active revisions, so I'll click on the tile that I want. And this takes me to an overview page for that revision where I see some general information at the top and 3 tabs. In the first tab, Download Revisions Forms, are all the forms that were shared with the PR by the country team. So they can download them one by one or all. Once they've worked on these documents and are ready to submit, they will click on the Attach and Submit Revisions Forms tab. Click on the blue Attach Documents button and select the document they want to attach. They'll need to name what type of document it is. In this case, it's a C19RM detailed budget. The system does a quick validation to see if there are any errors in the file. This one did not receive any. It selected the language, and I can click Save and Close. Once one document has been attached, I can start to see I start to see the list in the second half of the page, and I also see this column where the PR can check whether this is a final document. So it's possible for the PR to upload multiple versions of a budget, but they're only able to click one as final. Once a file has been attached and marked final, the listing will appear up here. So in this case, you see that the C19RM detailed budget, which we attached down here, is marked as final, and the C19RM performance framework also shows up because in an earlier iteration, this PR actually filled out the performance framework available here. So once all documents are attached, the PR will click Submit to the Global Fund. It's going to ask them to indicate what they are submitting. So for example, in this case, I've indicated a regular detailed budget, which was not been attached to this revision, and the system is notifying them of that. So instead, I click C19RM detailed budget and C19RM performance framework, which don't trigger any error messages. And I click some, or I'm able to put any comments to the Global Fund and click Submit. And that will trigger a notification to the country team, letting them know that the PR has submitted some documents. And as you can see, the revision status also updated to Global Fund Review.